Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a cool 3D loaders using only HTML and CSS. This loader will look amazing and is easy to create. Let's get started. Okay, open our code and first let's change title our page. We can write 3D loader. Okay, and now we can start create markup. Create container for our loader. We can use div element and add class. Call this class loader. Okay, next let's create our cube. Create new element and add class cube. And now we need to create each face of our cube. Create new div and add class face and copy this element several times. Okay, and next let's create text for our loader. Create new div and add class. We can call this class loader text. Okay, and let's add something inside this element. We can write loading and please wait. Also add points. Okay, and now let's open the window. Like you see, here's our text, and now we don't see our cube because now we have only markup and we need to create stars. Let's go to add stars for our page. Open our code and we have two ways. We can create stars tag inside our HTML file, or we can create a file with styles and connect this file inside head. I'll be using second way because it makes our code more clearly. And now let's add basic stars for our body. Using our body tag, and let's change position all items inside our body in the center using display flags. And to properties, justify content center and align item center. Also set height to 100% of the way viewport. Create this property, delete all margin and set background color. Okay, and also change font for all our elements using property font family and add Arial. Okay, now let's look at the window. Like you see, position our elements were changed, and also we changed our background color. Next step, let's create stars for our loader container. We can copy this class and paste here. First create width for our container and do the same for our height. Okay, and also we need to change position using value relative, and we need to create a property perspective. This property will help to create 3D effect. Create this property and add value 1000 pixels. Okay, and next let's add stars for our cube. Copy this class and pass here. First set width 100% and height. Okay, and add position absolute. Top left 0, and also we need to set transform style using our transform style and add value preserves 3D. Okay, now let's look at the window. Now we don't see anything because we need to create background color for all our face. Add our face class and also add position absolute, add width and height, and next set background color. And also we can set transparency, we can create opacity 0.8. Okay, and in the end let's create border. Add size 1 pixel, solid, and color light. Okay, our face are ready, and let's look at the window. Now we see our cube, and also we need to add property for our body. We need to add flex direction column. Okay, and now we need to add position for each face. We need using property transform and change value rotate Y and rotate X, and also add translate Z. Copy this class, and now we can using anti-edge child. Okay, and first create this property, add transform, rotate 0 deck, and translate that 20 pixels. Okay, and now let's duplicate this code 6 times. Change anti-child value and change our rotate for each element. And for our last two elements we need rotate X. Okay, open our... Okay, and next step we can create animation for rotating our cube using keyframe and name this animation rotate. And our animation will be have two parts, from and to. Create from and create to. Okay, and now let's copy this property, and we need rotate X and rotate Y. Okay, our animation is ready, and next let's to connect this animation for our cube. Create property animation, and first name our animation, add time our animation, and we'll be using infinity, and effect liner. Okay, open the window. Like you see now our cube is ready, and next we need to create stars for our loading text. Open our code and copy class our loading text. Paste here. First create margin between our text and our cube. Next set font size. And we also need to create animation for our text. It will be a simple but very popular animation. It names fade in out. This animation has 3 parts, and we can use one line for 2 parts and create opacity 0. Duplicate this code and change %, and here we need to add opacity 1. Okay, and now let's connect our animation to our text. Create property animation, and let's add name our animation and add times 2 seconds, and again add infinity. Okay, let's look at the window. Like you see, it works, but something wrong. First let's add color for our text. Create light and also put our text inside loader and paste here. Okay, let's open the window. Now everything works well. We have created a cool 3D loader with a fading text animation using only HTML and CSS. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching.